Hi guys, today we are going to create this. Here the example of preset. First go to light. Exposure plus 0.20. Contrast plus 20. Highlights negative 40. Shadow plus 40. Whites plus 30. Blacks negative 30. Now go to color. Temp negative 20. Tint plus 4. Vibrance plus 35. Go to max. Now go to red color. Hue plus 10. Saturation negative 15. Luminance plus 12. Next go to orange color. Hue plus 4. Saturation negative 10. Luminance negative 20. Go to blue color. Hue negative 15. Saturation plus 10. Go to magenta color. Hue negative 35. Next go to effect. Clarity plus 20. Vignette negative 20. Next go to detail. Noise reduction 30. Color noise reduction 20. Copy the preset and apply another photo. And finish.